Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to download and install the updated MX Player Pro to your Fire TV device. This is going to be a very interesting video, and I would recommend you to watch right up to the end of the video. And if you find this helpful, do us a favor to like, subscribe and share if you can, so that also you'll be able to encourage the channel and make us be able to create more videos like this. So I repeat, I want to show you, or the tutorial I'm about to show you is how you can be able to fully download and install the MX Player Pro, the latest version of the application to your Android, to your Fire TV device. So whatever time you're watching this video, could be a year from now, could be 6 months from now, this tutorial will help you to install the latest version of the MX Player Pro at any time. So please follow attentively. Here's my Fire TV device, as you can see. And the very first thing you need to do on your FireStick device is to make sure that it is allowed to install applications from unknown sources. By default, Fire TV devices come without being allowed to install applications from unknown sources. As a matter of fact, last year, Amazon released the FireStick Select, which doesn't really allow you to install applications from unknown sources. But if you are still using the older FireSticks like me, this is what you should do. So you go back to your settings and you come over to this one that says My Fire TV. You click on it, and as you can see, mine has an option that says Developer Options. If this is your first time, yours will not have this. So what you have to do is go over to the About section and click on it. On the name of your Fire TV, mine is your Fire TV Stick 4K. Just click on it 4 times or click OK 4 times until there's a pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. Once that pops up, just return and you will see the developer option. The reason for this is that we need to make sure that this second option here is turned on. This is the second option, or this is the default setting on our Fire TV that allows us to install applications from unknown sources. So I need to go over here and turn this on so that I'll be able to install applications from unknown sources. When this is turned on, then I can return and my Fire TV will be able to install applications from unknown sources. So that's the very first step. The next step is to install the download application, since we are going to be needing it. So go over to the find, go over to search and just type in downloader, or just simply D and you'll get a suggestion to the application. Here's it over here. Just click on it once and you are going to find the application. Here's mine. I'll click on it and it will be quick. So I'll just click download and wait for it to start downloading to my Fire TV device. The reason for installing this is because we are going to need it to install another application. So the way you install downloader is always the same. Just follow what I've done here and it will install. Even 6 months or a year from now, the process will still be the same unless our downloader will be removed from the Amazon App Store, which I find that very unlikely. So once the application has downloaded, you can go ahead and open it or launch it or whatever you call it. And once you launch the application, this is how it should look like on your Fire Stick for the very first time. So you click on allow over here and click OK over here. So the reason we use downloader is because we want to use downloader to install the Unlinked application. The Unlinked application is what we are going to use to get the latest version of the MX Player Pro. So go over here and type in this code to install Unlinked. It's a simple code. So the code is 10381. I have been using this code for over 2 years and it has not changed. So I believe this code is still going to work it for the next 2 years or more. So while you type in the code, just click on done and click go. So the code is 10381, please. So as you click on go, it's going to redirect you to the page to download the Unlinked application to your Fire TV device. So just give you a couple of seconds for it to redirect and the application will start downloading. So if you have been watching my YouTube channel, so you know what Unlinked is, and maybe you've literally used the Unlinked application. So it is a very important app for files or apps on Fire TV, Android TV, or Google TV. So I'm going to show you how to get the latest version of MX Player Pro with this. So when this has downloaded, just go ahead and install. As you install to your Fire TV device or click install, do not open straight away, please. Click done delete our file from here, and then now you can close this or return home. So as you return home, you are going to go to your app library and you are going to find Unlinked has been installed. Here's it over here. So go ahead and type in Unlinked. So there are many other Unlinked codes that you could use. I think if you go back to my channel and search for Unlinked libraries, you see over 7 different Unlinked libraries that you can use on your FireStick to install lots and tons of applications. But for this video, we are going to use just one Unlinked, which is the one I love using a lot for FireStick. So come here and type in this FireStick. So here's the name of the Unlinked library, FireStick. Please, this is one word. There is no spacing at the end, there is no spacing behind, or there is no spaces in between. It is all one word. So when you type in this, just go ahead and click enter, and if you type it exactly as I've done, it is going to enter without any problem. So just click enter over here, and once you're here, quickly go down to the option or to the category that says media library or media players, and if you go across, you are going to find MX Player application. Here's it over here, and as you can see at the top of my screen, it says this application was updated on January 28, 2026. That's literally like a week from the time of making this video. So if you are watching this video 6 months from now, all you need to do, let's download the application first. Just click on download and then we'll start downloading. So you are watching this video 6 months from now or a year from now, you realize that the update date has changed, and that's why I said this app or this method is how you can always install the latest version of this application, because anytime you go over here, the application would have been updated. If there's a new update, if there's a latest version that has been updated of the application, it's going to be updated here, and whenever you come over to it, it will be updated and you will install the latest version. So that's why I prefer this method, and I call it the method where you install the latest version. Even though the method is long, but it's always going to be reliable even a year from now. So here's the application. Once it's done downloading, we will be then able to install it to our Fire TV device. Just give it a couple of more seconds and then I'll show you how to install. So now that application is downloaded, just go ahead and click on install, and simple as that, the application is going to be installed to our Fire TV device. So this is it about the video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe and share. So as you see that we have installed, if I return to my app library, we are going to find the application over here. So just give it a couple of seconds. Let me quickly go to my app library. So it should be here. So here's the application. You can launch it. Please, MX Player is a player. It doesn't provide any content. This is just a player. So as you can see, the application has been installed and I've launched it on my Fire TV device. So that's it about this video. Please, if you can, make sure to like, subscribe and share so that we'll be able to create more videos like this.